For MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.3.1. The size of this update is around 4.27 GB. In the update description, they mentioned that it comes with bug fixes. So I started downloading the update, and once it completed, I installed it. Now here is something I noticed with the previous Tahoe updates. These updates were draining battery on MacBooks, especially on my M1 MacBook Air. And I also noticed abnormal heating that I had never experienced before. While watching content on OTT platforms and videos on YouTube, it was getting hot. I tried restarting it and later it was somewhat rectified. Let me know in the comments how yours is, and I will share after updating this and using it whether these issues are still encountered. That's why I took a few more days to test and share it with you. I installed this update on 13th March. Update wise, it's honestly nice to see even the first generation of M series MacBooks getting updates on time. This particular model, the M1 Air, was released back in November 2020, but these days updates quality seems to be missing the track. Coming back to the update, it took around 20 minutes to complete the installation. I didn't run any Cinebench scores for this video, but after a few days of using it, all I can say is that my MacBook is running normally. There are no issues like abnormal heating, app crashes, or bugs that I observed. If you're using the previous Tahoe 26.3 version, yes, you can install this update to clear out those bugs. That's the video. If you have updated your MacBook and found any issues, feel free to share them in the comments. It will really help others too. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button so this video reaches more MacBook users, and I'll see you again in the next one.